I really do think that there are strategies that are for bigger and smaller accounts that basically will determine whether you will be able to grow your trading account or not. And in this specific video, I want to focus on a very easy to use strategy specifically for beginners and for small accounts if you're trading Forex. And this has nothing to do with the fact that it's either more accurate or less accurate, but it's usual that when you have a small account, you're also a beginner in day trading. And that's the reason why I think this strategy specifically will be able to show you like the easiest path to start making profits with Forex. Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you a Forex strategy for small accounts in Forex. But if you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification for every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. All right, so like I mentioned, this will have nothing to do with the fact that you are looking forward to make 100 grand or just $100. So we're gonna focus on an easy way to understand where certain trades are actually going and how you can actually take these easy trades. And in order for us to do this, the first thing that we're gonna do is that we're gonna need a 50 moving average, 50 period moving average. And the way that you will actually get it is that you will go to this specific part right here where it says indicators, and then gonna choose a moving average, click on it, and you will be able to determine the inputs, which is 50 is the period of time. So once you hit okay, you will basically see this. You can choose whatever color you guys want to, or you can do whatever you want with the actual moving average. So this specific moving average will basically determine whenever there is a downtrend or whenever there is an uptrend, okay? Uptrend is obviously when the price of the asset is actually going up, and downtrend is when the price of the asset is actually going down. Once we have this, we're gonna add a new indicator, and this indicator is actually a linear regression, okay? Linear regression is basically a default indicator that will tell us where the trend or the pair is actually going, like at least on a very near future. So for instance, as you can see right here, these are support and resistance levels on trending that will determine when the price will start dropping or jumping. In this case, it touched right here and started jumping, and it will continue the same path right here until it gets broken either for here or either for here. Now, what is it that you need to do? Then all you need to do is enter a trade when it touches these boundaries, okay? As simple as that. Right now, as you can see, I'm actually at a 5-minute chart, and all you need to do is enter this specific trade. Now, sometimes you're not gonna be able to see that the price actually touches those boundaries, but you can enter a little bit below, such as this area right here. Obviously, there's gonna be a risk involved, thinking that maybe it will be the breakout on that specific trend, but it will be really hard to guess when that's going to happen. However, the indicator, the linear regression, will tell you when the pair is actually going in that direction. Let's go ahead and take a look. Where is it that you're gonna set the take profit? You're gonna set it exactly at the level that this line is at. And in order to understand how much it will be the take profit level, I would suggest to you that you guys use this indicator called ATR, or average true range. And just take the last 3 decimals is the amount of pips that is an average on the candlesticks for the last 14 candles. Delete the last number and just choose this one and double it. So that means that 10 pips is the average to range for the last 14 candles. So I'm gonna choose 20 pips as my stop loss. As you can see right here, this is my stop loss, and this is my take profit, which is around 2.46 risk reward ratio. Okay, so this is just one example, and if you want to, let's go ahead and jump into a different pair so that we can see we have an entry point. Let's go ahead and take a look at this pair. This is USD CAD, and we're in 5 minutes. This strategy will work actually for 15 minutes. It will basically work for every single term. Right now, this would be the entry point. This will be the take profit level, and the stop loss according to the ATR. My ATR says 7.3, so I eliminate the last one. So that means that my ATR is actually, or my stop loss will be 14 pips. One thing you guys gotta keep in mind though, this is a downtrend, okay? Since this is a downtrend, it's likely that the price will break the stop loss on buy options. Why? Because the prices continue to drop. Nevertheless, there is still a possibility that I will jump at least until this area. Probably it would be around right here, because it will jump around this area. But it's actually better if you guys enter for a buy option only on uptrends and a sell option only on downtrends. Okay, right now this is the trade. Let's go ahead and place this trade real quick. I'm gonna use my demo account in order to place this trade. This is USD CAD. All right, and we're gonna enter a buy order. It jumped already too much, but we can still make it work. The stop loss is 26,984, and the stop loss is, the take profit is 1.27467. I'm just gonna change the lot size. There you go, something like that. Obviously this is a demo account, so I'm not gonna focus too much into it, but we can see that here, obviously we're gonna change it to 5 minutes so that we can see this, and it's supposed to start jumping from here. It touched this area and then continue to drop. This is basically a trend line and a pattern that has been going on with this pair. Right now, I don't think we're gonna keep the video for like 30 minutes, but usually these trades take about 15 to 45 minutes, maybe 1 hour, depending on the volatility of the pair. This pair is not really that volatile, so I would say at least it's gonna take about 10 candlesticks before it actually gets there, and then it's gonna continue dropping. Now, the cool thing is that once it touches this area, then you can enter for a sell position, and boom, it's going to continue dropping as well. And as you can see right here as well, the risk reward ratio on this specific pair, on this specific trade is 2.45, which is really cool, because if you're risking 2% of your balance in this specific stop loss, that means that here you're gonna be making around 5% increase if you win that trade. So as you can see, this is a very, very easy to use strategy. It's super simple for beginners and even for expert traders. So I'd recommend you that you start testing this strategy on a demo account. Don't rush into just go with real money out of nowhere. No, it's better that you guys go with a demo account. Now, final recommendation that I want to give you is in regards to where to close the trade manually. So if you notice, we enter for a buy option on a downtrend, which means that it's actually likely to go into this direction and break the stop loss level. So what I would do is that I would wait for a jump right here, maybe a 1.1 risk reward ratio. Let me show you how I would do it. Around this area, pretty much. There you go. And then I will take my profit in there. Why? It's not because the signal is not good, but because we're actually playing along with the ads of saying, hey, the price might just hit the stop loss. But if it touches right here, you still make 2% increase, and focus on the ones that are going with the trend. So if you have the opportunity, like right here, for instance, you entered this position, take a look at all the profit that you could have made. Exactly on the same pair, if you actually enter this position right here, you set your take profit or your stop loss to 14 pips. Take a look at how much profit you could have made just in this trade. It's a 5.36% risk reward. So I would focus on the actual trades that are going with the trend so that you can be on the safe side. That doesn't mean that you can't enter for a buy option on a downtrend, but you just need to close them manually and be careful not to risk more money than the 2% that you already set. Hey, so I hope this video really helps you guys out, and if in case you guys have any questions, then you can put them in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer those questions as usual. And more importantly, if you found value on this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel and you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.